We start with one. I just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned for those trades they get the trade within this, they need to move their stop loss to break even, because I mentioned either we get the deeper correction or the price can really drop and retest the previous low. No one see what's the next. Whether we can look for this one as a running flat as a first running flat for one move up. In that case, if you want to look for buy, either we put our entry above the top or we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. All right. And if the price start to drop, we just let it go, because we mentioned we can expect the price even retest the previous low, which is 0.14 or 0.138. All right. Whether we should look for sell or not, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. And maybe we can look at this one as a running flat. If we get any reversal, we can take the trade. But any trade within this range, as long as the price haven't break the 18 cent, 0.18, we need to be quite careful. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss, because if we move to daily forward chart, the only thing is how we can look at this one, whether this is the star as a correction relative to this. In that case, we can expect to get the one more drop, at least the price drop to 0.14 before we get the reversal, or this is the start of the up move. And even if this is the start of our up move, we need to see the breakout of 0.18. If not, we can expect this one tend to have three waves correction for one more drop. Okay, that's why if you want to look for buy or any trade setup, we need to be quite careful, because it's quite different from other charts. And in this case, if you move to 1 hour chart, again, if you want to look for buy if you want to consider this one as a running flat, the only way is either to put our entry above the top, or we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag, we take the trade. And if the prices start to drop from here, we just let it go. Can we look for sell if this is the start of the down move? The only times if we see the price consolidate as a flag. All right. But in this case, I'm not really interested to look for sell. What I prefer, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And what we're looking for, whether the price can break 0.18 or not. And as I mentioned, if the prices start to drop, I just let it go. Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup, and we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. The only thing is for those traders, they get the trade within this one, at least move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.